Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my lovely client Sophie. She's come in today for a redesign. So I removed her previous set, which was just simple baby boomer, back down to the clear layer, done all the prep, and now we're going in with design. So here on the baby finger I'm using Flamingo. Am I using Flamingo? Yeah, this is Flamingo from CJP, and I'm just going to do a full nail of that. And yes, your eyes are not fooling you. I have nails on. They are not the best nails that you've ever seen, but nevertheless, they're nails that I've got on. I've had these on a week now. That is probably as long as I've ever gone with having nails on. For many years. Jesus Christ, I found it so hard. My right hand, I wish I recorded it, if you could watch me trying to do them. I must be so bad. Like my left hand, honestly, I could not do it for love nor money. I found it so hard. So like really, I'm not even exaggerating, really hard. I even found it hard using my right hand, like to do my left hand. I even found that hard. I don't know how you guys do it. And I can't even hold a cuticle pusher properly. God, it's so weird. It's not going to be a regular thing, so don't get used to this. So I'll just cap that now in crystal glass, and we're going to move on to the ring finger. I kind of just wanted a coloured ombre using Flamingo and Apple Shine, but I did them both too pretty thick, and I couldn't really resolve it. It was just quite hard to ombre the colours together, so I just whacked a little bit of glitter over the top of it. So yeah, just an ombre of Flamingo and Apple Shine, and then I add some iridescent glitter over the top. Can't remember what brand it's from, but I will leave everything in the description box. I've only really just noticed the angle of my camera's not great, my phone. But anyway, so we're on to the middle finger, and I'm using apple shine and birthday suit to create an ombre, and I'm going to use the same glitter that we did on the ring finger to create like a little glitter trail sort of thing going through it. So I'll let you watch this part. So the pointer finger is going to be a marble, and I don't know what I was thinking. It's these nails, honestly, it's thrown me off. But I did my marble the wrong way. So I put my bright colours down first, and then I put my nude on top. Look, put them down first, and then put my nude on top. So the ombre, the marble was just rank. Obviously, the next bit that I do further down the nail, I realised and had to try and resolve it, but it didn't really work. But yeah, what a div. What an absolute div. It didn't really do anything. Just made it look nude. I was trying my hardest to dig in as far as I can to get down to the colour, but still. But anyway, I knew I did it wrong, so you see me go in with the nude on this one first, and then pick up my two pigmented colours, and do my little swirls together. So I did the thumb. I didn't record it. Someone called me again and it cut me off. I didn't realise my phone was on silent. But the thumb was just a plain nail of apple shine. So I did do the same colours on the different hand. I'm so great with words, aren't I? I did the same colours on her different hand. Her opposite hand. That still sounds weird. On her opposite hand, but different. I'm just going to go. I'm just going to go because I don't know what I'm saying. So Sophie's left hand, we done the same colours, but for instance, the baby finger had like the ombre on. You know, you kind of get what I mean. I'm not gonna keep going because I'm just gonna embarrass myself and how uneducated I am. What did I even get in English? Clearly a U or a G or an F. Anyway, so now I'm going on to filing, and I'm going to go come in with my e-file, and I'm going to whiz over all her nails and debulk and flatten out that cuticle area so we've got a nice smooth surface. I'll buff them lovely and smooth, and then we are ready for top coat. I do think Sophie is needing a fresh set soon because her nails are starting to hook. I've said before, I know there's a way that you can get around that, resolve it, but I ain't about that life. I don't want to put another half an hour onto my appointment. I don't think my clients would enjoy that either. Nearly forgot to press record, but now I'm using CJP Tack Free Top Gloss, and I'm just going to apply a nice thin layer of that over all her nails. She'll cure in the LED lamp for around 60 seconds. I applied NAF Stuff Cuticle Oil in Banana, and we are good to go. So I'll leave a little clip at the end for you to see her other hand and the final result. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.